In today's video, I wanted to share with you my 4 favorite websites for finding web design inspiration. One of the biggest things that people struggle with when creating their website is actually figuring out the vision and what they want their website to look like. So I definitely recommend that you start out by gathering inspiration and figuring out exactly what type of website that you want to create before you start actually building your website. This is going to make things 10 times easier. So these 4 websites are really fantastic sources for inspiration and are going to help you with this part of the process. If you're new here, hi, I'm Louise of SolopreneurSidekick.com. I put out new videos every single week all about making the tech in your online business easier, particularly websites. So if that is something you need some help with, definitely hit subscribe down below and hit that little bell icon as well so you get notified every time I post a new video. Alright, so let's dive into the websites. So the first site is one that I use whenever I need inspiration. It doesn't matter if it's for my upcoming wedding or I'm trying to design a website. Either way, I come and use this website to find inspiration and store it. So that website is Pinterest. If you're not using it already, you're going to want to head over there and sign up. It's completely free and it is so useful. So before we go on to the other websites, what I want you to do is make sure you're using the internet browser, Google Chrome, and then you're going to want to download the Pinterest Save button. This is going to allow us to go and look at these other websites, find inspiration there, and still save them to our inspiration board on Pinterest. So I'll leave a link for you in the description below, but all you need to do is click Add to Chrome, and then you're going to click Add Extension, and this will automatically be added to your browser. So I definitely recommend that you go into Pinterest and you create an inspiration board for your website, and then you can save all of the images that you find across all of these sites to that board. So to create a board on Pinterest, just go up here, go to your profile, and then down here you'll see boards. So we're going to go to that. And then you're going to click Create Board. I'm going to title this Website Inspiration. And if you want, you can keep it secret, which just means that it's private. And then you're going to click Create. So let's say that I absolutely loved this website. All I would need to do is click on that Pinterest Save button and then click Save and save it to that website inspiration board. You're going to do this over and over and you'll end up with a gorgeous website inspiration board that really helps you in your own design. The second website that I love to look at for web design inspiration is creativemarket.com. And I love this one because they have all different types of assets that you can actually purchase and use on your website. So it's kind of like 2-in-1. Not only can you find inspiration, but you can also shop around and use those actual elements on your website. The next one is a site that I am totally obsessed with, and you are going to be so impressed with the quality of designs on this site. It's called Dribbble, and you can go on and find tons of inspiration for your brand new website. And finally, the last one is awards.com. This website is one that awards the best in design and creativity, so you definitely want to scan through this website as well and see what it sparks for you in terms of creativity. So those are my favorite websites for finding web design inspiration. I hope that you found this helpful and that you enjoyed the bonus tip of using the Pinterest Save button so that you can go around to all of these different websites, find inspiration, and save it to Pinterest so that you have an inspiration board, which will serve as a really great foundation for your next web design project. So once you've got the design, then you need to know how to actually create your website. That's where I come in. I have an online program called Website That Wows that walks you through exactly how to create a stunning, powerful website for your online business. If you would like to sign up for that, you can get started right away with a free trial. I'll leave a link for that in the description below. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, let me know by giving it a thumbs up. Leave me a comment below with your favorite website for finding design inspiration and share it with your friends. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit subscribe as well, and I'll see you real soon with another video.